Hi, Jennifer. I thought I would make a quick video to answer some of your questions for our conference. The first thing I want to invite you to do is to go back in and read over the instructions for the change essay. Now, this essay is a personal essay. That means when we write personal essays, we are sharing a personal experience and reflecting on that experience. We're not bringing in extra sources. We're not bringing in extra perspectives. It's all our story and what we think about that story, why that experience is meaningful to us and how it changed us. So this is a change essay. And when we look at the organization of this essay, it is pretty formulaic. I mean, BYU has designed this essay and even given students a template. So if you look at here, I've got another screen over here. That's why I'm looking over here. If you look at the template for this essay, you are going to write about, I used to think one way. How did you used to think about something? How did you used to feel about something? And then, second point, something happened. That's going to be the story. You're going to share a story of an experience, a memory that you had where something happened that was significant in your life that changed your opinion, changed you. And then third part of this essay is going to be, after that experience happened, this is how it changed me. This is how it changed me, and now I think and feel this way, right? So this is a personal essay all about that change. So you're going to offer some reflection. Reflection, I just mean thinking back, more abstract thoughts of this is how I used to feel, this is how I used to think, this is how I used to engage with people, whatever story that you're going to focus on, this is how it used to be. And then you're going to write that story. Then this thing happened. And write that out as a scene. For instance, you would say, one day this happened. You know, I was in my apartment, I was in my home, I was going to the store, I was reading. Describe that moment, describe that setting. Where were you? What did the surroundings look like? What did the room look like? Who was there with you? What did they look like? How did it feel, smell? Think about the senses. So you're going to describe that experience so your reader can see it and envision it as they are reading. And then you're going to add more reflection. How did that experience change you? All right. So again, we're not bringing any sources. This isn't like an academic essay. It's a very different genre. It's a very different type of writing. It's a personal type of writing where we're sharing our story and reflecting on it. And so as far as organization, it's pretty well laid out. And as far as things to common mistakes, when writing this kind of change essay is simply summarizing over the story, that memory that you're going to be sharing with your audience, your reader, is the anchor of this essay. So you want to take some time to really almost write it out as if you were writing a fictional story. Describe the setting, describe the day, how old were you, where did this take place? Show the action, kind of slow down time and describe the action taking place. Give your reader something that they can envision as they read. That's a mistake some people simply do, is kind of summarize. Okay, I was in my room, this kind of happened, without sharing any kind of detail. So I think that would be the best advice I could give you. Again, read over that assignment, read over the descriptions for it, look over there's a video that kind of walks through the type of writing this is. Look at the other examples of change essays that are provided, and let me know if you have any more questions. All right? All right, Jennipher. Thanks. Bye-bye. Haha, just kidding, Jennipher. I'm not done yet. I just pulled up your brainstorming ideas for this essay, and you had a couple really good ideas. One was an experience of you moving to a new country and the thought of you being homesick. Hold on just a minute. And then when you thought, another one idea was when you got married and you thought raising a family would be easy. Both of these, you mentioned that you changed your mind. However, in these examples, you didn't share what changed your mind. You're going to need to pick a moment in time, a situation or an experience that kind of represents you changing your mind or something that influenced you to change your mind. So again, let me know if you have any questions, okay? All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye for real.